Lake view, lake access, recently remodeled, and move-in ready. This home sits between Camdenton and Osage Beach down Y Road, about 5 minutes from Super Splash USA. This 3-bedroom, 4-bath home is in an incredible neighborhood that's golf cart friendly, has a community dock with a slip that is included, and a community pool just down the street. Today we're at 529 Sylvan Bay Drive in Linn Creek. Let's go take a look inside. The home on the outside has beautiful landscaping all the way around, multiple decks, one being screened in. On the inside, you have a nice, unique layout with multiple rooms for entertainment that you are going to love. My name's Ethan Lee with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks, Jason Whittle All-Pro Team. If you're looking for an opportunity to take a private tour of this beautiful home, give us a call at 800-836-2005, or you can check us out on our website at jasonwhittle.com. Thanks.